Unveiling the latest marvel of engineering and design, the 2024 BMW 5 Series G60. This is more than just a car, it's a symphony of innovation, packing a punch of power under its hood and sporting a design that turns heads. Its advanced technology is set to redefine the driving experience, making every journey an adventure. The 2024 BMW 5 Series G60 is the epitome of what a luxury vehicle should be. Stay tuned to explore more about this ultimate driving machine. Behold the bold and sleek design of the BMW 5 Series G60, a true testament to BMW's commitment to elegance and style. Let's dive into the exterior features of this automotive marvel. The dynamic lines of the car flow seamlessly from nose to tail, creating a sense of motion even when it's standing still. These lines aren't just for show, they play a big part in the car's aerodynamic design, slicing through the air with ease, allowing for improved fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. Now, your eyes can't help but be drawn to the iconic kidney grille, a signature element of BMW's design language. It's been revamped for the G60, larger and more imposing, yet retaining the classic elegance that we've come to associate with BMW. This isn't just a design choice, it's a statement. Let's not forget the LED headlights. Sleek, sharp, and piercing, they light up the road ahead with a crystal clear beam, ensuring you never miss a detail on those late-night drives. And then there are the 18-inch alloy wheels. Not only do they add to the overall aesthetic of the car, they also provide excellent grip and control on the road. They're not just wheels, they're the perfect blend of form and function, giving the G60 a firm stance on the ground. The BMW 5 Series G60's exterior is not just about looks. It's a perfect blend of form and function. Step inside the BMW 5 Series G60 and immerse yourself in a world of luxury and comfort. As you settle into the driver's seat, you'll notice the spacious cabin that offers ample legroom and headroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for all passengers. The use of high-quality materials is evident everywhere you look, from the plush seats to the elegantly designed dashboard. The seats, upholstered in premium leather, are designed to provide maximum comfort during long drives. They come with adjustable settings, enabling you to find your perfect driving position with ease. Your hands find their way to the advanced infotainment system, a technological marvel that integrates seamlessly into your driving experience. It offers a range of features, including navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, all accessible via a user-friendly interface. The system also supports voice commands, allowing you to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. But the BMW 5 Series G60 doesn't just impress with its comfort and tech features. The car is equipped with state-of-the-art driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work in harmony to provide a safer driving experience, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road. The BMW 5 Series G60's interior is designed to ensure a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. With its combination of comfort, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the interior of the BMW 5 Series G60 truly sets a new standard in automotive design. Under the hood of the BMW 5 Series G60 lies an engine that delivers unrivaled performance and power. The heart of this beast is a supremely engineered engine, a marvel of modern automotive technology. With twin-power turbo technology, it's a performance powerhouse, delivering a breathtaking horsepower that will get your adrenaline pumping. This isn't just about raw power, though. BMW has fine-tuned this machine for optimal performance with lightning-fast acceleration that will take you from 0 to 60 in a heartbeat. But don't let the power output fool you into thinking this is a gas guzzler. The 5 Series G60 boasts impressive fuel efficiency thanks to BMW's innovative engineering. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the handling. The steering is precise and responsive, giving you a sense of control that's unparalleled. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the G60 moves with a grace and agility that belies its size. The suspension, too, is a thing of beauty. It's been meticulously designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and shocks with ease. And when it comes to stopping power, the braking system is second to none, providing reliable and effective deceleration whenever you need it. In short, BMW hasn't just created a car, they've crafted a masterpiece. A symphony of power, performance, and precision. The BMW 5 Series G60 is more than a vehicle, it's an experience. The BMW 5 Series G60 offers a dynamic driving experience that is both exhilarating and efficient. The BMW 5 Series G60 is more than just a car. It's a statement of style, power, and advanced technology. In a world where technology and design are evolving at a rapid pace, the BMW 5 Series G60 emerges as a beacon of the future, a car that truly embodies the spirit of innovation and performance. It's a car that does not merely transport you from one place to another, but does so with an unmatched blend of luxury, power, and technological prowess. Let's take a moment to revisit the stunning design that sets this car apart. The sleek aerodynamic profile, the aggressive grille, the sharp lines that command attention, every element of the exterior design screams sophistication and power. It's a car that is sure to turn heads, no matter where you go. Inside this automotive marvel, you're greeted with an interior that is a testament to BMW's commitment to luxury and comfort. The plush seats, the sophisticated dashboard, the high-quality materials, every inch of the interior is designed to make your journey as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. But the 5 Series G60 is not just about looks and comfort. Beneath the hood lies a beast ready to unleash its power on the open road. The car's performance is unparalleled, offering a driving experience that is both thrilling and smooth. The powerful engine, the precise handling, the responsive brakes, every aspect of the 5 Series G60's performance is a testament to BMW's engineering prowess. And then there's the advanced technology. From the state-of-the-art infotainment system to the advanced safety features, the BMW 5 Series G60 is equipped with technology that not only enhances your driving experience, but also ensures your safety on the road. In essence, the 2024 BMW 5 Series G60 is more than just a car. It's a statement, a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation, performance, and luxury. It's a car that doesn't just meet expectations, but exceeds them. Experience the future of driving with the 2024 BMW 5 Series G60, a car that truly embodies the spirit of BMW.